Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 2, where we will learn how to add layer styles or shape layers and create more dynamic looking edits. So first, let's select one of the shapes we want to add a layer style. For this lesson, we will try the outer glow. Let's try this. Let's try this on this paper strike. Click on the layer. There's this stride outer group. As you can see, there are a ton of layer styles that you can use. But I think for black and white animations, the most common would be the outer glow. As you can see, there's already an outer glow here, but we're still going to tweak it. It looks more realistic and more appropriate. And it will create a new drop-down option here for you. Go to outer glow. What I want to do is turn it to white. In default, it's going to be a little bit of a bright yellow. Reduce it to maybe 25%, then increase the spread around 25%. Increase the size to 5 and the range to 100. I think we can still adjust this a bit, maybe 20. See, it's better, right? Now, here's the trick so that it will be smoother and faster for you. What you can do is just left click this. Control C, you can copy that. Control C, then go to the next layer that you want to edit, that you want to add that layer style, for example, this question mark. Press Control V, there. It's going to copy the layer style setting that you did from the past. Same thing here. Select this one and also the upper box. There. Nicely done. There you go. That's how you add an outer glow to your layer styles. That's it for this lesson, and see you on the next lesson.